love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase 迟到, which means late.
慢多
Mando, okay? And when you're late, it's not just because you're late, but people may get a little worried about you. So let's hear a conversation like that, where people are waiting for you and just concerned if you're okay.
伫那位，大家都伫等
啲路好，度到食茶，
慢慢的来，安全第一，唔是烦恼，蛮多嘅问题。
哇，这最后一句蛮长的哦，就是希望他慢慢来，
安全第一，
对不对？好，我们回到第一句好了 ，OK？ 就是在问说，哎，你在哪里？大家都在等你 ，right？ Where are you? Everyone's waiting for you.
伫那位，
伫那位，
大家都伫等
大家都在等，大家大家都在等你，
都伫等
等就是等你喽，
对
，right？ That means to wait for you. 然后呢，他回答说，在路上只是遇到塞车 ，on the road and there's a traffic jam.
伫路风，
啲路空，
拄到塞茶，
堵到塞茶。Of course, you know the friend is going to say, take your time, safety first, don't worry about being late. OK？ 当然叫对方慢慢来，安全还是第一，然后不用担心迟到的问题喽。
慢慢的来，
慢慢的来，
安全第一，
安全第一，
唔是烦恼，
唔是烦恼。
蛮多嘅问题。
哦，慢多嘅问题，好多东西可以来教哦。
对
慢
慢来
，slow down, take your time，
慢慢的来，
慢慢的来 ，and then safety first， 安全第一，
安全第一，
安全第一 ，and then 不要担心，
唔是烦恼，
唔是烦恼，
蛮多嘅问题。
慢多嘅问题。Wow, this is such a long line. 这边好多东西可以教哦，
对
而且这些都还蛮实用的。哎，我们就干脆来蕊这几个单词好了，或者几个片语哦。First of all, 慢慢来 means slow down, take your time.
慢慢的来，
慢慢的来 and then safety first.
安全第一，
安全第一 Okay, that means safety first. And then don't worry, 不用担心。
唔是烦恼，
唔是烦恼 Okay, that means do not worry about being late. 迟到的问题。
蛮多嘅问题。
慢多嘅问题 Okay, 慢多 is late and 问题 is this problem, this issue. Don't worry about it. Wow, 这很棒，一句话就教了好多单字哦。
是的。
好，那我们就来再听一下这个对话。
伫那位，大家都伫等
啲路好，度到食茶，
慢慢的来，安全第一，唔是烦恼，蛮多嘅问题。
And this month we're teaching you the phrase late, 迟到。
蛮多，
慢多 All right, that is today's practical Hakka.
什么大家？
单字 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.